Write write an account of distribution and occurrence of red algae. Red algae, phylum Rhodophyta, are a diverse group of mostly eukaryotic algae with predominantly marine distributions. Marine distributions. Marine distributions found in coastal environments worldwide, from warm tropical waters to cold polar oceans. They are rare in fresh water. With only about 3.5 of a species found in land habitats. Major distributions and occurrence. The majority of the vast of the over 7,000 red algae species found in the oceans and found in the oceans. Geographical range. Geographical red algae have major distributions most frequently encountered in warm and temperate and tropical and temperate coastal regions. Temperate and tropical and temperate coastal region. Tropical and temperate coastal region. Tropical and temperate coastal region. इसके बाद पे का चले ट्रॉपिकल एंड टेम्परेट कोस्टल रीजन. Tropical and temperate coastal region habitats primarily grow on attached to primarily grow on solid surface such as rocks, coral, rubbles, shells, and ranging from intertidal zone to great depth and depth. Key adaptations is the presence of the red pigment phycocyanin, which mask the other pigments like chlorophyll A, and allows them to blue and green light wavelengths that penetrate deeper into water, and they are unable to perform photosynthesis. Deep waters enable them to deep water. Deep water के बाद कैसे deep waters into, and then sometimes exceeding to 200 meters, and where the other algae cannot survive. Ecological role and Caroline red algae, which deposit calcium in their cell walls, are vital in the formations and stabilizations of coral reefs. Stabilizations of coral reef, stabilizations of coral reef, some stabilizations of coral acting as the natural cement. Some species are epiphytic. Some species are epiphytic, growing on plants. Some species are epiphytic, growing on plants, and parasitic. Parasitic. इसके बाद फिर का है ना फ्रेश वाटर एंड टेरेस्ट्रियल occurrence. Freshwater and terrestrial occurrences. Freshwater and terrestrial occurrence in freshwater red algae comparatively rare with exhibit and distant species डिस्टेंस प्रेफरेंसेज है ना. प्रेफरेंसेज इसके बाद फिर क्या बचे प्रेफरेंसेज. इसके बाद बताते हैं प्रेफरेंसेज. फिर काले हैबिटेट हले ना हैबिटेट. Most freshwater species are restricted, clear, cool, and fast-flowing streams, rivers, generally in unpolluted, low nutrients waters nutrients water. उसके बाद वाटर्स एग्जाम्पल इंक्लूड बेट्रोचा स्प्रोमम एंड लेमन लोकेशंस. They have worldwide distribution fresh water with species and polar to polar regions and polar to polar region. इसके बाद फिर एक्सट्रीमोफिल्स का हाल है. Unicellular species. Unicellular species belonging to class Cyanophyceae or extremophils. अला ना found in unusual like hot is found in unusual acidic hot springs and terrestrials are extremophils. Extremophils are rare with terrestrials are extremophils which rare with only both on growing both known on damp soils. Example Polypherameridia and the coastal caps coastal caps. इसके बाद फिर कल इन समरी रेड एल्गी आर हाईली सक्सेसफुल इन मैरिन environment across all latitude and largely due to their photosynthesis efficiently low light nutrients इसके बाद फिर बताते हैं कैसे लो लाइट न्यूट्रिएंट्स. इसके बाद बताते हैं कैसे लो लाइट न्यूट्रिएंट्स वाइल फ्रेश वाटर स्पेशलिस्ट स्पीसीज usually found in clear and fast flowing water system. The answer complete.